Ever stared at yourself in the mirror, wishing those extra pounds would just disappear? How many times have you tried to shed those stubborn pounds? Frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a way to break free from the cycle? A way that's not just effective, but sustainable. Let's start with us. Place jog. A simple jog in place gets your heart pumping and boosts your metabolism. It's a fantastic warm-up to kickstart your workout. Oblique Twist high knee kick. Engage those obliques with a twist and add a high knee kick for a dynamic move that targets multiple muscle groups. Twist and leg lift. Combine twisting motion with leg lifts to work on your core and lower body simultaneously. A powerful combo for toning. Elevated cycling. Lie down, pedal in the air. Elevated cycling is a low-impact exercise that's gentle on your joints but tough on calories. Crunch frog on floor. Get down on the floor and channel your inner frog. This crunch variation works wonders for your abdominal muscles. Lying crunch R+L. Lying down doesn't mean slacking off. Lift those shoulders off the ground with a left and right crunch for a full ab workout. Opposite crunch. Target those hard-to-reach areas by bringing opposite elbow to knee. It's an effective move to sculpt your obliques. V-sits. Shape up your core with V-sits. Lift your legs and upper body simultaneously to create a V shape. Feel the burn. Half-seated leg circle. Seated, but challenging. Engage your core with half-seated leg circles. It's a controlled move for strong abs.